In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change signature on Yahoo Mail. Let's walk through it together so you can set up a clean, professional signature that appears automatically on every message you send. First, open a web browser and sign into your Yahoo Mail account. Once your inbox is loaded, look toward the top right corner for the gear icon. That's your settings shortcut. Click it, then choose More Settings from the drop-down. This takes you to the full settings area, where you'll find everything you need to control how your emails look and behave. On the left-hand side, click Writing Email. This is where Yahoo groups options related to composing messages. Scroll until you see the signature section. Here, you'll notice a simple toggle that turns your signature on or off for your email address. If you have more than one address or alias connected, make sure you're adjusting the correct one. Go ahead and switch the toggle on to enable your signature. Now it's time to edit the signature itself. In the box provided, type the text you want to appear at the bottom of your emails. Keep it clear and concise. Most people include their name, role, and a preferred way to be contacted. If you want a more polished look, use the formatting tools above the box to add style. You can bold key details, adjust font size, or add a hyperlink to a website or portfolio. You can also insert an image, such as a small logo, but keep it lightweight so it loads quickly for recipients. Avoid including sensitive information or anything you wouldn't want forwarded. Yahoo Mail saves your changes automatically as you work, but if you see a save option, clicking it is a good habit. Navigating away from the settings page will also commit the changes. Let's verify everything works. Head back to your inbox and click Compose to start a new email. In the message window, your updated signature should appear at the bottom right away. If it doesn't show up, return to Writing Email and double-check that the signature toggle is on for the address you're using. Once enabled, the signature will be attached to all outgoing messages, including replies and forwards, unless you turn it off. That's all you need to do to change your signature on Yahoo Mail. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to refresh your details or update your look.